Maraming salamat at welcome po sa business plan video ng Karatbars. Sa presentation na ito, pag-uusapan po natin ang maraming bagay patungkol sa Karatbars. Alamin po natin kung paano i-posisyon ng tama, kumita at mag-benefit ng gusto gamit ang sistema ng Karatbars. Kung ready na po kayo, simulan na po natin. Ang Karatbars ay isang 100% e-commerce business. Ang klase ng business na pinatatakbo gamit po ang internet. Ito ay isang affiliate program at hindi isang MLM. Ang main product po ng Karatbars ay 24 currency grade gold na kung saan naka-embed po ito sa ATM size card. Bawat Karatbars ay sertipikado ng London Bullion Market Association or LBMA. Ang head office po ng Karatbars ay nasa Stuttgart, Germany at ang CEO po nito ay si Mr. Harold Seiss. Para makapag-start po tayo sa Karatbars, kailangan po natin makapag-register or makagawa ng account. After that, piliin na po natin na maging affiliate. Then sa next page po, makita natin dyan yung sponsor details. Huwag na po natin pakialaman yan. Karatbars ID, ganun din po. Isip na lang po tayo ng username, password, enter your email, then click continue to the next page. Sa next page, mostly mga personal details po yan. So enter lang po natin yung first name natin, then last name, then date of birth, then yung address po natin, at yung country kung saan po tayo nakareside. Click register and then automatically magpapadala ng confirmation sa ating email address and presto, kayo po ay member na ng Karatbars. Kapag nag-register ka na sa Karatbars, automatic nakasali ka na sa dual system pay plan. Tinawag itong dual system pay plan dahil binubuo ito ng dalawang phases. Ito ay ang uni-level at ang dual team. Sa uni-level, mga personally enrolled affiliates mo lang at kanilang mga referrals up to infinity ang makikita mo dito. Hindi mo kailangan mag-purchase para kumita ng monthly payout. Most of your income is earned from gold purchases. Now, while working on your uni-level, you're also building up your dual team. Makikita mo dito ang mga personally enrolled affiliates mo from your uni-level plus mga spilled over affiliates from your sponsors. Dito kailangan mo bumili ng package, one time only. Pwede ka pumili between bronze, silver, gold, at VIP. Sa section na ito, makikita mo rin lahat ng mga units na na-earn mo. Lahat ng mga registered Karatbars affiliates ay mayroong 7 paraan para kumita. Ang numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, at 7 ay free to earn. Samantalang ang 4 at 5 will require you to purchase any of the packages. Pwede ka kumita ng direct commission mula sa uni-level at dual team. Dahil nag-sign up ka sa Karatbars, ikaw ay magkakaroon ng access sa Karatbars online shopping store. You and your entire organization can promote your shopping links at any way possible kung saan pwede ka kumita ng direct commission between 0.5 to 6% sa lahat ng mga gold sales ng entire direct affiliate organization mo. Lahat ng gold products commissions are paid out in the uni-level program only. On the other side, kikita ka pa rin ng direct commission sa dual team. Sa bawat direct affiliate na i-enroll mo personally, pwede ka kumita between 5 to 20% direct commission. Ang bawat package are considered non-gold product. So, tignan naman po natin ang uni-level bonus. Dito ang rank po natin is determined by the points we earn and our whole affiliate organization. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, sa kada 2 euro worth of gold products na nabebenta ng ating mga affiliates, sa kapwa affiliates or sa mga customers, we earn 1 point from that. Okay? So, sa kada 100 euro worth of gold products na nabebenta ng ating affiliates sa co-affiliates at sa mga customers, we earn 50 points. Sa 500 naman, that is 200 points. So, divided by 2 lang po yan. So, makikita nyo po sa 12 uni-level ranks, that will be from distributor up to the gold director elite. Wherein sa distributor, 0% po tayo dyan. Yan po ang entry level. Supervisor is 0.5. Bronze supervisor is 1 up to the gold director which is 5%. Okay? Let's say, wag na lang po natin banggitin lahat. Let's say sa supervisor, bronze supervisor level or 0.5, 200 points ang required po dyan per month for you to reach that. Okay? So, once na may 200 points ka, automatically qualified ka sa supervisor status. Kung meron ka namang 2,500 points per month, you become a gold supervisor. Then, gold manager will be 9,000 points per month. Then, gold director with at least 3 direct affiliate leg which is 9,000, 4,000, and 3,000 points at least will qualify for the Gold Director. Okay? For all the products you sold, you receive between 0.5 and 6% on your entire organization. Now, mag-iisip ka, hanggang 5% lang yung nakita mo doon, yung Gold Director Elite. Okay? So, tapos sabi ko dito, 0.5 to 6% on your entire organization. Mon, saan napunta yung 1%? Okay, ito po ang sagot dyan. Papakilala ko sa inyo yung generation bonus. There are times na meron talagang mga affiliates na nagpe-perform exceptionally. Okay? Lumalagpas sila dun sa Gold Director Elite. Okay, pag nangyari yon, sobrang galing nila. Bukod sa direct commissions, makaka-receive rin sila ng differential commission sa mga sales ng mga Karatbar affiliates kung saan ang rank nila ay mas mataas sa kanila. For example, kung ang isang direct line mo, ikaw to, ay naging Gold Director Elite, you are elevated to Gold Director Elite 1 status. Okay, so mas mataas ka na dun sa Gold Director Elite kasi Gold Director Elite 1 ka na. Okay, so therefore, ang percentage level mo dyan is 5.75. Okay, so how will you earn is you deduct. Okay, so that is 5.75 minus yung percentage ng Gold Director Elite. So you earn 0.25% differential commission mula sa Gold Director Elite line na ito. Okay? If the same direct line or Gold Director Elite produce another Gold Director Elite under him, he is now elevated to Gold Director Elite 1. At ikaw naman ay magiging Gold Director Elite 2. Isang line po lang yan, ha? Hindi po yan multiple line. Isang line po lang, isang linya lang po yan. So therefore, you get 5.9 level for that line. Then you earn 0.15% differential commission from this Gold Director Elite 1 leg. Okay? So hanggang sa pangatlong generation, isang linya yan, isang linya po kayong lahat. You now become a Gold Director Elite 3. You now have a rank of 6% level for that line. And therefore, you earn 0.1% commission mula sa Gold Director Elite na to. Isipin mo, 0.1 lang. Pero po, volume of points po pinag-uusapan po natin dyan. Malaki po yan. Okay? So, this is what you call the generation bonus. Kung nakapag-decide ka na mag-participate sa dual team, ang masasabi ko lang, congratulations. Dahil sa pamamagitan nito, you are automatically activating your dual team to generate weekly income. Now, pag-usapan natin yung mga package. Ano yung mga package natin na pagpipilian? Meron tayong bronze, silver, gold, VIP. Sa bronze, that's $135. Silver will be $350. Gold will be $800. VIP will be $2,100. Now, paano natin bibilin yung package? So, mabibili natin yung package online. Okay? So, using our credit card or debit card. Paano natin marireceive ang package? Once we purchase the package will be shipped through us through FedEx. Okay? Federal Express. Papadala po siya through Federal Express. Nakikita niyo po dyan sa background, yan po ay actual package. Ganyan po ang itsura niyan. Kung saan, bawat package may mga accessories po sa loob. Okay? So, lilinawin ko lang po, bakit po ba tayo bumibili ng package? Okay? So, mari iniisip nyo, sabi mo, Mon, free. Yes, free nga talaga. Okay? So, bibili tayo ng package for two basic reasons. First reason is that we want to qualify for the dual team bonus. Okay? And for the package bonus. Gusto natin mag-qualify dyan. The second reason is that we need the package because we want our affiliates to have the tools needed to attract customers or other affiliates. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo dyan sa package natin, it's a full marketing package. Okay? It's a marketing package that contains gold, grams of gold, mga bonus cards, brochures, CD catalogs, and etc. Now, bawat package na binibili po natin, yan po ay may mga katumbas na units. Now, ito po mga units na to, ito po ang ating basis for cycle commission. Okay? So, makikita nyo po dyan yung mga unit list po natin. Dati, nung bumibili ka, nung wala ka pang package, bumibili ka, ang na-generate mo lang nun mostly are points. Okay? So, now, you generate both. You generate points and you generate as well units. Okay? So, kung bumili ang mga affiliate mo, let's say 1 gram of gold, you are also generating 1 unit out of that. Okay? Now, there are times na yung mga affiliate mo ay ang entry level niya ay bronze. Okay? And then, sabi natin kasi kanina, one time lang natin bibilin yung mga packets. Yes, one time lang. And then later on, if you wish to upgrade, you may do so. Now, kapag yung affiliate mo nag-upgrade siya from bronze to silver, okay, so that you will earn another 15 units out of that affiliate. Okay? Kung nag-upgrade siya from bronze to gold, that you will earn another 45 units. So, you earn the difference of those units. Okay? So, yan po yon. So, mapapansin nyo rin po sa package natin, meron po tayong dalawang bonus card doon. Yung unang bonus card natin, we call it 100 euro bonus card. Yung 100 euro bonus card natin, meron pong code yun sa likod. Kung saan, pwede natin yun magamit, kung saan meron tayong affiliate or customer na gustong bumili ng K-Exchange Center, gusto niyang bumili ng mga branding cards, mga World Aurum package or BAP package. So usually these are non-gold products na magagamit mo yung bonus card, yung 100 euro bonus card. Now yung isa naman po ay 3% bonus card. Yung 3% bonus card, meron din po yung code sa likod. Kung saan yung 3% bonus card, magagamit mo yun sa mga gold products. So both cards, 100 euro bonus card at 3% bonus card, they are both valid for 1 year. Okay? Magamit mo siya for a period of 1 year. Pag-usapan po natin ang seryosohan ng dual team bonus. Kapag nag-purchase ang isang affiliate ng package, nagkakaroon siya ng chance kumita weekly. Okay? So, depende sa package na kinuha niya. So, pwede siya kumita between 5 to 20% direct commission at $13 up to $100 cycle commission. So, remember, meron po tayong 4 na package. Yan po yung bronze, silver, gold, at VIP. Sa bronze, may direct commission ka na 5%. Sa silver, 10%. Sa gold, meron kang direct commission na 15%. At sa VIP, meron ka namang direct commission na 20%. Now, kung nakapag-sponsor ka or nakapag-enroll ka ng isang bronze direct under you, you will receive 5 units out of him. Okay? Kung silver naman yon, that will become 20 units. Kung gold, 50. At kung VIP, 100. Now, para bayaran ka ng cycle commission, kailangan makabuo ka ng isang cycle. Mamaya, pag-aaralan natin kung paano makabuo ng isang cycle. Ano ang requirements para magkaroon ka ng isang cycle. But this time, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, kung magkano ang makukuha yung commission kada cycle na nag-generate ng mga affiliates nyo from left team to right team. Okay, sa bronze, kada cycle na nag-generate niya ay makakapag-generate siya ng commission na $13 kada cycle. Okay? So sa silver, meron siyang $50. Sa gold, meron siyang $75. Sa VIP, meron siyang $100. At of course, ito naman po yung mga package cost for your additional references. Okay? So, paano po ba yan? So, ito ka, andyan ka, it's you. So, you have your left team and your right team. So, paano po tayo nag-generate ng cycle? So, simple lang po yan. All you have to do is to enroll people or wait for your sponsor na makapag-spill over po sa inyo ng mga affiliates. Okay? So, lahat ng spillover niya, magka-count din po yun sa inyo. Only thing, wala kayong direct commission doon kasi spillover yun eh. So, ganun ka-importante kung meron, nakapasok na kayo sa dual team, so you will be eligible for all these things. So, let's say, sa left team mo, nakapag-generate ka ng 25 units. At sa right team mo naman, ay nakapag-generate ka ng 50 units. So, kung meron kang 25 units sa left team mo, at meron kang 50 units sa right team mo or vice versa, let's say nagkapalit, yung left team mo may 50, yung right team mo may 25, that is considered 1 unit. Okay? So, yun po yon. So, kapag naka-generate ka ng one cycle, okay, for that particular week, check ng computer kung anong klaseng package meron ka. Let's say, kung meron kang bronze package, so meron kang 1 unit for that particular week. So, 1 unit multiplied by $13, okay, that will give you another $13 commission on your weekly. Okay? So, saan mo marireceive yung commission mo? So, marireceive mo yan sa iyong Karatbars Mastercard Debit Card. So, para magkaroon ka ng Karatbar Mastercard Debit Card, may dalawang option. Kung hindi ka na makapaghintay, okay, bayaran mo ng 20 euro. Okay? Kung naman gusto mo makapaghintay at nakapag-generate ka ng at least 35 euro na commission, automatic i-deduct yan dun sa outstanding commission mo for that particular week. Okay? So, dideduct yun ng 20 euro. So, you would allow like 2 weeks for your debit card to be shipped through you. Again, ipapadala po ito sa inyo ng Federal Express or FedEx. Okay. So, let's say, gusto natin mag-compute ng actual cycle. Okay? Let's say, ikaw to you. You have your left team and you have your right team. So, huwag muna natin pag-usapan kung anong klaseng package meron ka. Okay? Pag-usapan muna natin kung paano ka makapag-generate ng cycle. So, ikaw, nag-enroll ka ng sponsor, nag-enroll ka ng affiliate on your left team, okay? Nakapag-enroll ka ng isang gold package, okay? At sa right team mo naman, nakapag-enroll ka ng isang VIP package. So, yung gold package na yun, nagkakahalaga yun ng $800 at yung VIP package naman, nagkakahalaga ng $2,100. So, all in all, meron kang dalawang direct referral or enrollee. So, ang total niyan is 2,900. Okay, bukod pa dyan, yung affiliate na in-enroll mo, nag-enroll din ang kanilang mga affiliate. So, yung left team mo, nakapag-enroll din siya. Nakapag-enroll siya ng silver at nakapag-enroll siya ng VIP. So, with that, yung left team mo nag-generate ng 170 units yon. Ngayon, yung right team mo naman, yung affiliate mo doon, nakapag-enroll naman ng mga affiliates din. So, isang affiliate doon, kagaya din niya, VIP. So, yung dalawa, parehong gold. So, ang total po nun ay 300 units. Now, kung mapapansin niyo, 170 units plus 300 units. So, bakit naging 150 units na lang at 300 units? Okay? So, para makompute ko yung cycle dyan, ang gagawin ko dyan, kung ano yung pinakamaliit dun sa dalawang side na yan, let's say itong 170 units, i-divide mo lang to ng 25. Okay? So, dun sa higher unit naman, i-divide mo naman siya ng 50. Ngayon, kung ano yung makuha mong nearest whole number dun, yun yung magiging total number of cycle. Okay? So, in this case, 170 divided by 25, that will give you 6. And then 300 units divided by 50, that will give you another 6. So, okay na doon sa 300 units. Kalas na yon. Wala na tayo doon pag-uusapan. Kaya lang doon sa left team mo, meron ka pang tirang 20 units. So, saan mapupunta yung 20 units? Well, siyempre, hindi naman tayo titigil. Next week, may another, cycle na naman tayo. So, may kikerry over lang po yan sa next week natin. So, dito, sa scenario na to, meron tayong 6 cycle. Okay? So, again, balikan po natin yung mga numbers natin. So, again, alam natin, meron tayong 6 na cycle. And then, meron siyang direct sale na 2,900. Remember, hindi ko sinabi kung anong klaseng package meron tong tao na to na nag-generate ng 6 tsaka direct sales na 2,900. Let's say siya po ay naka-bronze package. Okay? So, meron siyang cycle commission. Kada cycle meron siyang commission $13. Then, sa direct commission niya, meron siyang 5%. Okay? So, kung siya naman po ay silver, so meron siyang cycle commission. Kada cycle, meron siyang commission na $50 at meron siyang direct commission na 10%. Ngayon, kung siya naman po ay gold, meron siyang $75 na commission kada cycle. So, nakikita niyo na po yung pattern. So, may direct commission din po siya na 15%. So, kung VIP siya, meron siyang $100 na commission kada cycle. Okay, meron tayong 6 na cycle. Okay, direct commission, meron siyang 20%. So, do the math, multiply nyo lang po yan. Ito po ang result niyan. From each package at the different package scenario, kung bronze ka, kikita ka ng $145 commission out of that. Okay, kikita ka ng cycle commission na 78. So, ang total mo ay $223 for that effort. Kung ikaw naman ay silver, meron kang direct commission na 290 kasi 10% ng 2,900, di ba? So, meron kang commission cycle na 300 kasi 50 times 6. Okay? Then, ang total mo dyan ay $590. Okay? Ngayon, meron kang direct sa gold. May direct ka na 435. Meron kang cycle commission na 450. Ang total mo ay 885. Direct commission mo naman sa VIP is 580 dahil 20% times $2,900. And then, ang cycle commission mo is 600 kasi 100 ka per cycle. Okay? Ang total mo niyan ay 1,180. Ngayon, mag-iisip ka, bakit nag-i-start ako sa bronze? Bakit hindi na lang ako dumekta sa VIP? Mas malaki ang commission. Well, binibigyan po kayo ng option ng company. Kasi may mga tao na wala naman sila talagang ganun kalaking funds para mag-start sa VIP. So, we allow you to just start with the bronze. Bronze is basically for you not to miss out any cycle or any unit commission na mag-fall out of your tree. Okay? Kasi kung minsan, merong mga taong bigla-bigla na lang pumapasok sa sa dual team mo. Hindi mo alam yon. Okay? Kasi tayo, online tayo, so anything can happen. So anything can happen, any spillover can happen anytime, anywhere. Okay, since electronic tayo, we just transact using credit cards. So, any transaction can fall in between your tree. Okay, hindi mo yun alam. So, in order for you to conserve that, so kaya bibigyan ka ng chance na mag-bronze. At least ito yung pinakamura. So, it's up to you. So, you want to upgrade, you can always do so using your commission from your e-wallet. You can pay for that, actually. Okay? So, it's up to you. If I were you, have to join ka with the bronze kung talagang walang-wala kang pera. As much as possible, try to upgrade as soon as you can. So, from bronze, silver, from silver to gold, from gold to VIP. Okay? So, try to buy the highest package that your money can afford. Yun lang po ang pwede ko maging advice sa inyo. So that you don't miss any opportunity for the same effort. Okay? Isa sa pinakamagandang bagay na nagustuhan ko sa Karatbar Affiliate Program ay ang pagiging simple nito. Ngayon, gusto kitang tanungin. Gusto mo maging isang gold salesman na nagtitingi ng mga gold? Or gusto mo ba maging isang tunay na businessman na gumagawa ng residual income by duplication? Ngayon, ang idea na ipapakita ko sa iyo ay isang franchise model. So, ang tawag ko dito ay ang Karatbar's 12 Weeks Plan. Sa 12 weeks plan, may 3 bagay lang po tayo na dapat tandaan. Una, kailangan natin bumili ng package. Okay? So, yung package na yan could be bronze, could be silver, could be gold, or could be VIP. Pangalawa, kailangan din natin mag-save ng gold. 1 gram of gold in 12 weeks. Okay? 1 gram of gold in 12 weeks. Pangatlo, kailangan natin maghanap ng 2 tao na magduduplicate ng task 1 at task 2. Okay? 2 taong seryoso. 2 tao may matinding pangangailangan at 2 tao na may pangarap sa buhay. Okay? Nahanap nyo na yon, turuan natin sila ng task 1 at task 2, i-duplicate nila for 12 weeks. 12 weeks lang naman hindi naman forever. So, i-simulate natin yan. So, let's say, meron kang, nag-decide kang mag-take ng bronze. So, dahil bronze ka, bronze din ang normally ma-enroll mo na mga affiliates. So, kung bronze ka, sa first week mo, may 2 kang enrollee na affiliates, meron kang direct commission sa kanila. Tama? So, meron kang $13 dyan. Sa week 2, dahil wala ka ng in-enroll na affiliates, so, therefore, wala ka ng direct commission. So, naghihintay ka na lang ng mga unit ng mga cycle commission. No, abangers ka dyan. Okay? So, week 3, abangers ka pa rin. Pagdating sa week 4, meron ka ng cycle. Okay? Nakadalawang cycle ka na. Kaya meron ka ng $26. Sa week 5, meron kang 39. Sa week 6, meron kang 65. Sa week 7, meron kang 143. Sa week 8, meron kang 286. Sa week 9, may 546. Week 10, 1,100. Week 11, 2,200. Week 12, 4,400. Kung susumahin mo yan from week 1 to week 12, kumita ka na in 12 weeks ng 8,957. So hindi na po masama para sa $135 na puhunan. Okay? So tuloy lang po natin. Let's say nag-decide ka mag-silver. So silver to bronze. Kung silver to bronze yan, ang first week mo dyan, dahil may dalawang direct referral ka na affiliate, so meron kang $27. Dahil week 2, naghihintay ka ng units from ng units para makapag-cycle ka, so wala kang kita ng week 2 tsaka week 3. So sa week 4, meron ka ng $100 out of the 2 cycles na na-generate nung dalawang affiliate mo or dalawang generations mo sa baba, left and right. Sa week 5, meron kang 150. Sa week 6, meron kang 250. Sa week 7, may 550 ka. Week 8, meron kang $1,100. Sa week 9, meron kang $2,100. Sa week 10, meron kang $4,300. Sa week 11, meron kang $8,500. At sa week 12, meron kang $17,000 plus. So total, from week 1 to week 12, in 12 weeks, meron kang $34,177. Again, magkano puhunan natin sa silver? $350 lang po yan. Ang kapalit in 12 weeks, $34,177. Okay, tuloy lang po natin. Let's say, nag-decide ka mag-take ng gold package. Okay? You only sponsor 2 bronze package and everyone else does the same. Okay? Sa first week mo, meron kang $40 out of your direct commission. Sa second week mo, 0. Sa week 3, abangers again. Sa week 4, meron kang dalawang cycle which is 75 times 2, that is 150. Sa week 5, meron kang 225. Sa week 6, meron kang 375. Week 7, meron kang 825. Week 8, $1,600. Sa week 9, $3,100. Week 10, meron kang $6,500. Week 11, $12,000. Week 12, $25,000. So all in all, from week 1 to week 12, you have earned a total of $51,490 against your initial cash, which is $800. Okay? So, ganun po kalaki. So, $800 na puhunan mo, bumalik sa'yo, $51,490. Okay? So, tuloy lang po natin. Let's say, medyo ginaganahan ka at medyo may konti ka namang resources. Sabi mo, total, doon din naman ako pupunta sa VIP, so why don't I put my resources to make myself VIP? So, VIP to bronze package. Still, bronze pa rin ang mga ini-enroll mo sa program. Bronze affiliates lang. So, what you do, you only sponsor 2 bronze package and everyone does the same. So, on week 1, kikita ka ng $53. Week 2 and week 3, abangers, dahil naghihintay ka ng mga cycle commission from the units earned, dahil bumibili sila ng gold, remember? Sa week 4, meron kang $200, dahil may dalawa ka ng cycle. Kasi ang isang cycle ng VIP is 100, so 100 times 2. So 2 cycle means $200. Sa week 5, meron kang 300. Sa week 6, may 500 ka. Sa week 7, may 1,100 ka. Week 8, 2,200. Week 9, 4,200. Week 10, 8,700. Week 11, 17,000. And week 12, $34,000. All in all, from week 1 to week 12, that is an amazing 68,853. Ngayon, isummarize po natin. From bronze to silver, okay, to gold, then to VIP. Kung bronze package ka, bronze package sa kinuha mo, at nag-enroll ka rin ng mga bronze affiliate, kikita ka ng 8,957. Kung silver package ka at nag-enroll ka pa rin ng mga bronze packages, kikita ka ng 34,177. Kung gold, 51,490. Kung VIP, 68,853. Alam nyo po ba kung magkano sa dirhams ang bronze na yan? 8,957 is equivalent to 32,916 dirhams. Okay? Sa Philippine money, kulang-kulang 350,000 po yan. Yung silver natin na 34,177, sa dirhams po, that is 125,600. So, sa peso, kulang-kulang 1.3 million yan. Okay? Yung gold package natin, na ang puhunan natin ay $800, that is 189,000 dirhams. Sa peso po natin, that is almost 2 million. Okay? Okay? 2 million po yan. Yung isa naman, yung VIP natin, that is 68,853 in dirhams po, that will be 253,034 dirhams. So, in Philippine peso, kulang-kulang po 2.7 million po yan in 12 weeks. Ngayon, kayo po ang tatanungin ko, anong package po ang gusto ninyong kunin? Gusto niyo ba ng bronze? Gusto niyo ba ng silver? Gusto niyo ba ng gold? Or gusto niyo po ng VIP? Well, ang advantage kapag kumuha ka ng mas mataas na package, you need less people or less affiliates to reach a higher mark or goal. Okay? Mas mabilis mo marireach yung goal mo. So, lahat po yan, nakabase po yan sa 12-week plan. So, after 12 weeks, it doesn't matter kung ano pong gawin ninyo. Pero, nobody will stop after the 12 week kasi it will perpetuate eh. Okay? So, yan po yung tinatawag natin na 12 weeks plan. So, ang income option number 6 naman po natin ay tinatawag natin na Karatbars Pool. So, ano po yung tinatawag natin na Karatbars Pool? Sa kada gram ng ginto or gold bar na nabebenta ng Karatbar, 95 euro goes to the Karatbars Pool. Ang pool po na ito ay hatiin sa 8 level. Yan po yung level 1 to level 8. Kung saan may kanya-kanya pong mga ratio yan. From 5 cents to 20 cents. So, ang dito po sa Karatbars Pool, shares po pinag-uusapan natin dito. Ngayon ang tanong, paano po ba nagka-qualify ang isang affiliate? So, ang kailangan lang na affiliate dito is magkaroon siya ng isang direct line na merong 5,000 points. Okay? So, 5,000 points means ito ay sa uni-level. Okay? Sa uni-level program po ito. Okay? You don't need to buy a package to qualify for the Karatbars Pool. So, again, kailangan magkaroon siya ng isang line or isang affiliate na may 5,000 points. Then, the other lines should have a total of 1,000 points in combination. Then, yung affiliate po na yun ay pwede na mag-qualify. So, again, inuulit ko po, ito po ay sa uni-level. So, that means hindi kailangan bumili ng package ng isang affiliate para mag-qualify po sa Karatbars Pool. So, libre po ito. So, next po natin dyan, yung tinatawag natin na Karatbar Gold Fund. So, ano po yung tinatawag natin na Karatbar Gold Fund? So, ang sinasabi dyan is 1% of the gold sold from the one-time purchases goes to the Karatbar Gold Fund. Kasama po dyan yung mga one-time purchases sa all over the world. So, para sa mga sales na over 500 euro. Okay? So, ang requirement po dito is hindi mo kailangan bumili ng package. So, kailangan mo lang meron kang tatlong direct affiliates na nag-generate ng tig na 9,000 points kada isa. Okay? So, kung meron kang tatlong direct affiliates, okay, na nag-generate ng 9,000 points kada buwan, so kasali ka na dito sa Karatbar Gold Fund. Okay? So, yun po yung Karatbar Gold Fund is free to join. You don't need to buy anything. So, you can always participate here in Karatbar Gold Bar as long as you are a Karatbar affiliate. Okay. So, we have to get started somehow. So, gaano man kaganda yung program na pinakita ko po sa inyo, kung hindi nyo naman po sisimulan, wala rin po mangyayari doon. So, what we tell you have to get started now. How? You register for free. Wala pong bayad ang registration sa atin sa Karatbars. All you have to do is to have an internet connection, a laptop or a mobile device that can connect to the internet basically. You can create your account. Okay? Yung affiliate link ng tao nag-invite nyo, click nyo lang po yan, follow the instruction, and that's it. Get the confirmation from your email and then you're ready to go. Okay? Next, you have to choose to buy the package. Okay? So, your package, as always, sinasabi ko po, you don't need the package that much. Kung gusto nyo, ayaw nyo bumili ng package, you can always earn money. Meron tayong 5 ways to earn money even without the package. Nandyan ang uni-level, direct commission, okay? Andyan ang generational bonus, nandyan ang Karatbars pool, andyan ang Karatbar Gold Fund. Okay? And then, you do the 12-week plan. Okay? So, we make everything simple here. So, we don't complicate things kagaya na ginagawa ng iba that they do their own thing. Okay? We just require to just do the 12-week plan kung talagang seryoso kayo. Okay? Then, you can get the maximum result out of Karatbars. Okay, then find 2 who will duplicate. Importante po yun because we don't want to become a retail salesman. Ayaw natin magbenta ng Karatbar Gold for the rest of our life. So, kaya nga tayo sumali sa, sa affiliate program na ito is because we value our opinion and time and effort. Okay, so you want to get result in as much as little as 12 weeks. Okay, so bago ang lahat, hindi pa po tayo tapos dyan. Okay? So, pinakita ko po sa inyo yung 7 ways to earn plus yung mga mechanics kung paano tayo nag-earn through the cycles and direct commissions. But higit pa dyan, meron pa po tayo mga bonus. And we call this a Karatbars Incentive Plan. So, ano po yung Karatbars Incentive Program natin? So, remember, every of your affiliate is buying gold. Okay? Let's say, nakapag-accumulate ka ng gold, let's say, 1,000 grams. Okay, if you accumulated gold for 1,000 grams, you can claim an iPhone, gold iPhone. Okay? Kung nakapag-accumulate ka naman ng 3,000 grams, you have the chance to go to Dubai. So, yon, you have the chance to go to Dubai. So, kung 10,000 grams naman ng gold ang nabenta mo or nabenta ng buong group mo, ito ay sa group mo lang hindi kasali dito yung mga spillover sa'yo. So, you have 10,000 grams of gold na nabenta mo. This is, by the way, excluded dito yung strongest leg mo. So, you are only talking about this grams of gold on your weak legs other than your strong leg. Okay, so, kung meron kang 25,000 grams, you have a Rolex watch. Okay, and if you have 70,000 grams of gold na nabenta mo, accumulative, meron kang brand new standard car. At kung meron ka namang 160,000 grams, meron kang deluxe car. Okay, then a brand new luxury sports car for 350,000 grams. And finally, a luxury villa built anywhere in the world for 1.2 million grams. So, malaki-laki yan. Pero ito na yung grand finale. This is for your retirement. Okay? If all of your affiliates are saving gold just as the program is designed to be for the 12 weeks plan, hindi malayong maabot nyo po ito. 1.2 million grams is your ticket to financial freedom. Okay? So, yun lang po. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Okay? So, yan ang sinasabi ko po sa inyo. Why wait? Get started now. The right time is now. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Mr. Ramon Catanhal.